Introducing the Stelmacher Instruments Blepharoplasty Ophthalmic Kit, 19 PCS, a complete set of precision-engineered surgical instruments designed to enhance accuracy and efficiency in blepharoplasty procedures. Every instrument in this set has been carefully selected to meet the highest surgical standards. From delicate tissue handling to precise incisions and suturing, this kit ensures seamless performance in upper and lower eyelid surgery. Blepharoplasty is a meticulous procedure that requires absolute precision. This kit includes fine-tipped forceps, microsurgical scissors, needle holders, nap lacrimal retractor, and caliper, all crafted from high-quality German stainless steel for durability and long-lasting sharpness. These instruments allow surgeons to achieve optimal aesthetic and functional results, reducing patient recovery time and enhancing surgical outcomes. Enhance your ophthalmic practice with the Stelmacher Instruments Blepharoplasty Ophthalmic Kit, where innovation meets precision. Visit stelmachermed.com to learn more and place your order today. Follow us on social media for the latest updates, products, and tips from Stelmacher Instruments.